Keto meatloaf wrapped in bacon. Bacon-wrapped turkey meatloaf is always a great starting point. Then it's topped with sugar-free barbecue sauce, or any kind you like, giving it sweet, savory, and bacon flavors all at the same time. No dry or boring low-carb ground turkey meatloaf here. This may be a bit lighter than beef versions, but it's still loaded with flavor and is incredibly filling. You're going to love it. With just 10 minutes of prep, you'll love how easy it is to make this healthy turkey keto meatloaf recipe. Ingredients: turkey meatloaf, 2 pounds ground turkey, 1/2 large onion, chopped finely, 6 cloves garlic, minced, 1/3 cup tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 1½ teaspoons sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 cup wholesome yum blanched almond flour, 2 large eggs. Topping: 10 slices bacon, 1/4 cup sugar-free barbecue sauce. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with foil or parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine all turkey meatloaf ingredients. Mix until just combined, don't overmix. Form the ground turkey mixture into a 10 by 6 inch loaf on the lined baking sheet. Arrange the bacon slices in a single layer on the meatloaf, going across the short way, and tuck the ends underneath the sides of the meatloaf. Bake for 30 minutes. Spread the barbecue sauce over the top and sides of the turkey meatloaf. Return to the oven and bake for 20 to 35 more minutes, until cooked through and internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. Time will vary depending on the thickness of the loaf. If desired, place under the broiler for a few minutes to crisp up the bacon. Rest for 10 minutes before slicing using a serrated knife. Instructions: mix together turkey keto meatloaf ingredients. In a large bowl, combine ground turkey, onion, garlic, tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, sea salt, black pepper, almond flour, and eggs. Mix until just combined. Tip: don't overmix. Overworking the meat can make your keto meatloaf with ground turkey denser, especially since turkey is lower in fat than beef. Form the loaf. On a baking sheet lined with foil, shape the meatloaf into a 10 x 6 inch loaf. Add bacon topping. Arrange the bacon slices in a single layer on the meatloaf, overlapping just very slightly, and tucking the ends underneath the sides of the meatloaf. Keep going until the whole meatloaf is wrapped in bacon. Now that you have your turkey keto meatloaf assembled, time to bake it. You bake it in 2 parts. First plain and then again after brushing with barbecue sauce, for a total of 50 to 65 minutes. Bake. Start with 30 minutes. Add barbecue sauce. Brush barbecue sauce over the top and sides of the turkey meatloaf. Bake for another 20 to 35 minutes, until cooked through. Tip: to know that the meatloaf is done, use a meat thermometer to confirm it has reached 165 degrees F. Rest. Once your keto turkey meatloaf is done baking, let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Click the link in the description for more delicious meals like this.